And very good afternoon. Salam Selamat sore. It is indeed my pleasure to be standing here again. It was a long time ago when CPR was started, and I feel like this is kind of stimulating again our vision at the time of Dr. Yono, as the chairman of this conference. Thank you so much for making this happen. Bapak Kepala BRIN, Bapak Wakil Kepala BRIN, Pak Dirjen, dan seluruh tamu kehormatan dan seluruh pimpinan dari berbagai lembaga adalah suatu kehormatan dan sendiri kind of privilege for me to get to give a short presentation. I thought it's half an hour, but it's only 15 minutes, so I might be able to make it faster. Hello. I'll present something on the reality when we conducted Format 1 and Format 2 under KKP at the time, we actually believe that the way to preserve coral reef is what we call a passive restoration. We use coral reef rehabilitation, but only in terms of preventing from being degraded or being destroyed. So the management intervention is actually the key of that project at the time. But due to the pressure, the natural pressure, especially climate change and development, it seems that many countries experience, including Australia, the effective management seems to be not enough to be able to keep up with the rate of degradation with the ability of coral reef and this coastal system to recover. I think that's where we need to be able to change the way we deal with this situation. So I'm given the opportunity to present science and innovation for coral reef conservation. That's including later on rehabilitation. I think I repeat this again. The Manado, partly because of this picture, is the key address that all the highest levels, not only actually coral, especially the scarpinal corals, but also other associated marine organisms. There is, for example, all over the world, more effective marine conservation effort. And I'm so grateful, maybe, I think that this has been presented by Dirjen, but I like this picture because this is not only representing the area that we are going to conserve, the marine conservation area, but it's also related to what we call value sequestration. Pak Dirjen, I do hope this time, actually the marine conservation area were managed by district government, but early years there, in 2014, all the management of the marine area is now under the authority of government, provincial government. Because we need to have not only the science, but also what we call the management effectiveness conservation. There is no way that our leader Green already mentioned about kind of coral garden. This is kind of the next climate change. We need a much more stronger genetically, not only phenotypically, but also genetically. So we need to be able to understand which corals is more resistant to, for example, climate impact. In many different arenas, not only in grow outs, but also finding the way how to scale up propagation using technique. The mass scale, the length of this structure is about 1,400 meters, which is 1.4 kilometers, and disconnected from one place. So please come to see this in what we call Bali Island or Botoswa Island in South Sulawesi. You can contact us in the future if you'd like to see this structure working. But it can be implemented in many places. We also is that we have to make sure that we are not only doing it by the scientists, by outsiders, but we need to involve the locals. Don't be surprised that we have more than 500 projects. In the past, you can see here, in 1990 to 1998. So my almost my area in work separately and we don't see from each other. And come to that center to be able to use this method. Next, I think I'm running out of time. We also need to use a good measure in order to be able to monitor and we have to have control. Next. Monitoring is done, and I told you to go to the just the conclude scene. This is the last slide here, right? So, the take-home message. First of all, attention on data. So, historical data is very important. Government, only central government is we need to increase the stakeholder participation. How to make this continuously being developed. So I like Professor Abdullah